Hi, I'm Poppy. Welcome to Spartan Kids. Today we will draw a cat. So let's draw a cat and make it the best. Take out your drawing book and colors and let's make something creative because it's coloring time. How to draw a cat. Step 1. Start by drawing the cat's head as a flat oval. Step 2. Draw and depict the ear as a triangular geometric shape. Step 3. Now depict the second ear exactly like the first one. Step 4. Draw and depict two large and round eyes. Step 5. Depict a small triangular nose in the middle between the eyes. Step 6. Draw the mouth like an inverted number 3. Step 7. Now depict the front leg and rounded chest. Step 8. Now draw the second front leg next to the first. Step 9. Draw and depict a rounded back leg. Step 10. Draw the curved back of the cat using a smooth line. Step 11. Draw a long tail curving into a large S shape. Step 12. I decided to paint the cat light gray, ears and nose pink, and eyes brown. But you can do any color. Thank you for watching our Spartan Kids videos. See you soon with something new.